Welcome to Capitalflo, your personal financial planner app. Let me guide you with the app and how it can help you. We'll start by downloading and signing into the app. You've now entered the home page of the app. Tap on Transactions to get a list of all your transactions. You can use this feature to track your expenses. We also provide category-wise insights on your spending. You can know your daily spending and your monthly spending, along with a list of recurring merchants. You can save time reviewing your monthly bank statement using our bank statement analyzer. Our software will give you a list of all your spendings. Further, get personalized insights from your statement. This means you can know where you spent and how much you spent in the month. Your average daily spending, along with a list of recurring merchants. Something new and useful, right? We also help you plan your monthly budget. Write down your monthly income and your monthly expenses. Now, based on your financial situation, you can better plan a monthly budget. For financial planning, we help you know your annual cash flow. It's simply how much money you have left over in a year after all expenses. In addition, you also get to know your net worth, which is the difference between your assets and liabilities. Our app also allows you to track your financial goals so you can achieve them. This way you can be financially prepared for the future. And soon you will be able to find a CA or financial advisor for your needs. All in one app. Capitalflo, the financial planning of a new generation.